Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be like super interesting because I have a brand new mystery package to show you all. So by looking at the box itself, you can tell that this is from Asus ROG. You've got a huge ROG logo on the front side. But the thing is, I'm like not sure what the brand has sent us inside this package, guys. By looking at the box and the style of packaging, I'm assuming there is some sort of gaming PC inside. You know, Asus ROG makes pre-built gaming PCs, right? So I'm assuming that is only inside the package because see, a couple of months ago, if you remember, I've actually done a pre-built gaming PC from ROG that was like AMD powered. And this is something new, guys, from the brand. I'm not sure about the specs or the model because they haven't told me anything. So yeah, that is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So this is their new ROG Strix gaming PC desktop, guys, and on the front side you can see it's got this beautiful ROG I logo and the Strix design going on. I love this design, guys. Packaging looks very nice. So I'll just rotate the box and show you what's written on it. You've just got the ROG logo everywhere. Oh, so this one is Intel powered. You can see the Intel inside logo here. The previous one which I've covered was AMD Ryzen powered. So this is their Intel variant, I assume. And not sure about the specs. The only way to find out is quickly unbox and check out. Alright, let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the package. Alright guys, let's dive into the package and check out the contents. So at the top we have a mini box with the ROG logo, must be for the accessories. Let me show you. You get a mains card for the PC, a free wired mouse from Asus, that is quite handy, and some paperwork over here. Keeping them aside, let's see what else we got in the package. Oh, there's actually one more box over here. Looks like a keyboard to me. Yes, this is a wired keyboard from Asus. Quality looks pretty decent. Very nice thing that the brand is giving you a free keyboard and mouse in the package. But again, you may get these accessories only with certain models. You'll have to check that before buying. Now let's check out the actual gaming PC. Oh boy, that is definitely heavy. And that's it, there is nothing else in the box. So let's finally have a look at our brand new gaming PC. Ta-ta-da! So this is how the new ROG Strix Intel Edition pre-built gaming PC looks like. Hey, this looks very similar to the ROG PC that I got last time. I mean, the PC case definitely looks the same, but I guess the hardware on the inside is different. Let me give you all a closer look, tell you about the model, the specs and all that. This is the ROG Strix GT15, the Intel 10th gen powered pre-built gaming PC from Asus. And the model we got today came with Intel i5 and GTX 1660 Ti graphic card. Now, how do I know that? Well, there's a big label to the side with the complete specs of the system. So the GT15 comes in a lot of variants starting from i5 and 1650 GPU to all the way up to i7 and RTX 2070 Super. So guys, first let's talk about the design, the build quality, basically the exteriors, and then we'll talk about the hardware used on the inside. The Strix gaming PC comes in their exclusive ROG Aerodynamic Rgb Case and looks absolutely beautiful from the outside. You've got the ROG logo on the front, a streamlined aerodynamic stealth design with a tempered glass panel on the side, and an RGB light bar on the front. Let's have a look on all the sides of the PC. The Strix GT15 comes with a beautiful EMI shielded tempered glass panel on one side with the ROG branding on it, and as mentioned before, the PC has an aerodynamic design with multiple vents on the front, to the left as well as the top area. This allows a great amount of air intake to keep the system running cool. Let's also have a look at the back side. On the bottom you got the power supply. This is where you'll need to connect the mains card. It's got a 500 watt 80 plus rated PSU. And going to the top, this is where you've got all the connectivity ports. Just have a look over here. There's nothing much on the front except the ROG logo and the light bar. And here's how the top area looks like. You've got some front panel I/O connectivity ports which include a 3.5mm headphone jack, a 3.5 microphone in, a USB 3.2 Type-C port and also a USB 3.2 Type-A port. Now let me tell you about the specs of the system. My model is powered by Intel's 10th Gen i5 10400F, has Nvidia's GTX 1660 Ti with 6GB of VRAM, 16GB DDR4 dual channel RAM clocked at 2666 MHz. And coming to the storage, well, it's got 1TB hard disk and 256GB M.2 PCI SSD on board. So these were the hardware specs. So we're done with the exterior part, right? Now let me remove the side tempered glass panel and give you all a look on the interior. Okay, so the PC that we got last time was basically a potato on the inside, but this time I definitely see some improvements. We'll get there in a moment and talk about the components. First, let me power it on and show you. The power button is on the front and holy smokes, did you guys see that? That was a pretty cool boot up lighting theme. And I have to tell you, I love the RGB lighting on this PC. The ROG case looks so good, especially that RGB light bar on the front. It's addressable and the lighting theme on it is completely customizable using Armory Crate software. And the RGB is not just on the outside, it's on the inside of the cabinet as well. It's got around like 25 RGB LEDs on the front and 5 LEDs at the top that glow and illuminate the complete interiors of the cabinet. Very nice and stylish. Coming to the hardware, as mentioned before, my ROG Strix GD15 is powered by Intel Sci-Fi with a boost turbo frequency of up to 4.3 GHz. And for the CPU cooling, they've used a decent air cooler with chunky block of heatsink. Much better than what I've actually seen last time. And the motherboard they've gone with is ROG Strix B460 Gaming. Nice mid-tier Intel motherboard, but coming to the RAM, geez Asus, again some old school RAM with no heatsink on it. But the good thing over here is, instead of using a single 16GB like last time, they've used two 8GB sticks in dual channel configuration clocked at 2666 MHz and is also expandable up to 128GB. They definitely took my feedback from last time and improved on a few things on this model. But again, if you ask about the real world performance, well, that is something I'll be able to tell you only after using it for a few days. Though that will have to wait for some time as I just got the PC, right? I have a lot of testings and benchmarks to do on it. I'll be using this gaming PC for a few days before I can give my full review on it. And in the full review, we'll be talking about the performance, the thermals, how the noise levels are, and all that stuff. We'll be playing a couple of AAA title games as well. So if you have any suggestions for the game titles, let me know in the comment section. And apart from that, if you have any other questions regarding the PC also, do let me know. And wait a second, I totally forgot to mention, the case also has a handle at the top side so you can easily carry it anywhere. And one more neat feature I liked is, it's got a built-in pop-up stand for headphones. You can easily open it like this and place your headphones on it whenever not in use. Well guys, that was our first look and overview on ROG's new Strix GT15 Intel powered pre-built gaming PC. It's mainly made for people who are looking for a PC that is like good to go out of the box. It looks damn attractive, love the RGB lighting, especially that light bar on the front, offers decent specs for the price, and you do get a free keyboard and mouse as well in the package. If you talk about the pricing, as mentioned earlier, the pricing starts at 71,990 rupees for the base variant, and my model costs around 90,000 rupees. So what do you think about it? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.